Now exercise, before starting exercise 3.2, we will be doing the concepts related to this exercise. This exercise will be very easy, okay? And if you remember, in before doing exercise 3.1, we did concepts video where I explained you about the three possibilities which will exist for a pair of linear equations. Now the three possibilities where the lines can be parallel, okay, or first is intersecting lines, second is parallel coincident lines. So these are the three possibilities, okay, three possibilities for any two lines which are given by a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. Now in the 3.1 exercise concepts video, we have already discussed about these possibilities where we have two parallel lines, that is a1x b1y plus c1 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. Okay, for these pair of linear equations, we will be having these three possibilities. But what are the conditions that make these two lines intersecting or parallel or coincident? We will learn in this concepts video. Okay, now the first, for lines to be intersecting, it should satisfy the condition a1 by a2 should not be equal to b1 by b2. So once this condition is satisfied, that is a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, then the lines are intersecting without any doubt. Okay, now the second part, second is parallel. This spelling is wrong. Okay, now for lines to be parallel, now the condition is a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 but not equal to c1 by c2. Now here the lines are intersecting, okay, a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, okay, lines are intersecting. Now for parallel lines, the condition is a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 but should not be equal to c1 by c2, then lines are parallel. Now comes the most important condition, that is coincident lines. For coincident lines, what are coincident lines? When two lines are upon each other, okay, on one line you have the second line is coinciding with the other line, okay, so intersecting is parallel, okay. Now coincident lines means the condition is a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. When this is the condition, then the lines are said to be coincident. Now comes the solution part. Now when lines are intersecting, we have unique solutions. When the lines are parallel, we have no solution. Means we will not get the coordinates. Here we will get the unique coordinates. Okay, and for coincident lines, there will be infinite number of solutions. Now these conditions are very important to solve your problems in the exercise and also for your MCQs. Okay, very easy. a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2, then the lines are intersecting and we'll be having unique solutions. Parallel lines, a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2, then lines are parallel with no solution. Coincident lines are the lines which are coinciding with each other and the condition is a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2, and this condition will have infinitely many solutions. Okay, so I hope you understood the concepts. Okay, we'll jump into the exercise. Okay,